Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manually add customer product reviews to WooCommerce WordPress. This is a fantastic way to build credibility for your products and give potential customers the social proof they need to make a purchase. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your WooCommerce store, including the powerful review features we're about to set up. Once you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand to show you several options. From these expanded options, click on Add Plugin. This section is your gateway to extending the functionality of your WooCommerce store with specialized tools designed to enhance the customer experience. Now you'll be taken to the plugins page where you can browse and search through all available plugins for your WooCommerce account. Locate the search bar at the top and type in Virtual Review. From the search results that appear, look for a plugin called Faview Virtual Reviews for WooCommerce. Before installing, click on More Details to get a comprehensive overview of what this plugin offers. Take a moment to understand its features and functions, as this will help you use it more effectively later. Once you're satisfied and ready to proceed, click on Install Now. The installation process might take a little while depending on your connection speed, so just be patient and let it complete. Once the installation finishes, you'll see the option change to Activate. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After activation, your page will refresh automatically. Now take a look at your left navigation panel again. You'll notice that a new option has been added to your menu called Faview's Reviews. This is the control center for managing all your manual product reviews. Click on Faview's Reviews and from the expanded menu that appears, select Settings. This is where the real customization begins and where you'll manually add customer product reviews to your WooCommerce store. In the settings area, you can start by customizing the review form to match your brand's look and feel. Add canned reviews, which are pre-written reviews that can help populate your product pages quickly and professionally. You'll also have the ability to change the canned style for both desktop and mobile views, ensuring your reviews look great on any device. Adjust colors, including the text color, background color, text hover effects, and background hover effects to create a cohesive visual experience. Additionally, you can customize the purchase label by choosing from different icons and modifying the icon colors and backgrounds to fit your store's aesthetic. Once you've finished adding and customizing your manual reviews, make sure to click on Save to preserve all your changes. And there you have it, you've successfully set up manual customer product reviews on your WooCommerce WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.